Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I have never done this before. I am nervous as anything, but we're gonna try this. I'm Farah, and if you've ever seen me on Instagram sharing photos or videos, I love to travel. I love my family. I cook a lot. And so this channel, you get to learn about how to cook, what to cook, when to cook, and have fun doing it. I grew up in one of the most beautiful tropical islands in the Eastern Caribbean called Dominica. I'm biased. To my West Indian peeps, Sakafet. I have been cooking for my entire life. I think when I was 9, I started making a 3-course meal for my mom and her friends. Growing up in Dominica, I learned an appreciation for food. My parents were farmers, and so I had access to fresh food all the time. But what I really want you to come here for is to where to get and build a really good relationship with food. And if we have little ones, they can see what types of food really give them the fuel. Remember, food is our fuel. So Gaiatarian, the place you come to learn about food, love, family, and I travel a lot. So if you want to come along with me, let's go. Bye!